doing with the chapter Transport in Animals and Plants, right? So today we will be discussing about one of the most important system of our human body, that is human excretory system, right? So here you can see this is a picture of human excretory system. So before we know about the human excretory system, first of all we should know that what is the process of excretion. So what is excretion? Excretion means the removal of toxic substances from our body is known as the process of excretion, right? And the organs which are involved in the process of excretion, that comprises human excretory system, right? Now, what are the toxic materials that are produced in our body? Now, in our previous chapter, we have learned that one of the most important waste product of our body is carbon dioxide, and how the carbon dioxide is eliminated out from the body, that you have already learned, isn't it? So now we will be dealing with another most important toxins of our body, that is what? That is urea. Okay. So urea, it is formed, basically urea, it is formed as a process of protein metabolism, and this urea, it is generally deposited in the liver, right? And this urea, it is filtered generally by kidney. Okay. So let's see what is a human excretory system. Now this human excretory system, it consists of two kidneys. Okay, two kidneys, two bean shaped, rather if I say that it is a shape of a rajma, then it will be better. Okay. So two kidneys are present here, you can see. Blood vessels are present obviously, as because blood is being connected into it. Okay, so here you can see this is what? This is renal vein. This is what? This is renal artery. What is the function of arteries and veins? I hope all of you know that, right? Now, here you see two pipelines are being connected from the kidney, that is called, that is ureter. I will describe each of the thing, okay, individually, right? Then it comes what? This is a bowl shaped thing, that is what? That is a urinary bladder, okay, and finally from where the urine passes out, that is what? That is the urethra, okay. So now kidney, what is the function of kidney? Kidney, it purifies the blood, right? Now as I said you, the important toxin of our body is what? The important toxin of our body is urea, okay. So this urea, it gets mixed with the blood, right? Now that impure blood, it is carried towards the kidney, okay, by what? By the renal vein, right? Now what happens? Kidney, it contains millions of small units known as what? Known as nephrons. Okay, nephrons are the unit of kidney. Just like the alveoli, they are the unit of lungs. Okay. Now what is the function of this nephron? Nephron, each of the nephron, it filters the blood by purifying what? By purifying it from the urea. Okay, that means it removes the urea and then it sends the blood back again to our body, right? Now that urea, what happens? It gets mixed up with what? It gets mixed up with the water, right? And it forms what? It forms urine. Okay, basically urine, it consists of what? Urine, it consists of 95% water, 2.5% of urea and 2.5% of other salts, right? So urine, it is being formed in the kidney. Later on, the urine, they are being passed through this pipeline, rather you can say, that is ureter. Okay, ureter, it passes from the kidney. Okay, and it gets connected to the urinary bladder, right? Now this urinary bladder, actually it can store of around, you can say, 500 to 700 ml of urine, right? So when this urine is being deposited into the bladder, okay, then what happens? Our nervous system, okay, it sends a signal to our brain, okay, and then what happens? We get the feeling of passing urine, okay. Now this urine, okay, it is being passed through this urethra, okay. Urethra, it is, rather you can say, a pore which is present in the bladder from where the urine is being passed through, okay. Now what happens? Sometimes a person suffers from kidney failure, right? Now in that case, what happens? If a person suffers from kidney failure, then there are two options. What are the two options? Number one, either the person can go for kidney transplant, okay, or else if the two kidneys are not working, then in that case the person, they have to undergo the process of dialysis. Okay, now dialysis, it is actually an artificial machine, okay, that acts as an artificial kidney. Okay, Now what happens, that dialysis machine, what happens, it purifies the blood. Okay. Now if a person, if the kidney of that person has been failed and if the person is not undergoing through the dialysis, then what will happen? Then in that case the blood of the person, okay, it will not be purified. As a result, it will be mixed up with lots and lots of toxin, urea. Okay, and since urea, it contains ammonia, so it is very toxic for our health. Okay, and as a result, if lots and lots of toxins get accumulated in our body, then what happens, a person, they can die. Okay, so the function of kidney, it is very important in our body, and if the kidney fails, then a person, they must go for what? They must go for dialysis or kidney transplant. So this is all about your human excretory system. Thank you everyone.